Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best SP6000J1 is probably one of the most versatile and precise tools you can have in your workshop. Today, we're diving deep into the Makita SP6000J1, exploring its features, performance, and why it might just be the perfect addition to your toolkit. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this video will give you all the insights you need to make an informed decision. Number 5. Makita 199140-039 Guide Rail. This guide rail is designed for smooth and accurate cuts. It works seamlessly with Makita Plunge saw models, ensuring straight and precise results. The guide rail is specifically designed for use with Makita Plunge saw models XPS01, XPS02, and SP6000J. The saw base connects directly to it for optimal performance. This setup delivers smooth, dead-on straight or bevel cuts. Whether you're working with plywood, MDF, or other sheet materials, this guide rail makes ripping them a breeze. It provides the stability and guidance you need for clean, professional cuts. It's not just for plunge saws. This guide rail is also compatible with select Makita circular saws, jig saws, and routers when used with the appropriate adapter. This expands its versatility in your workshop. Enhance your setup with optional accessories. The Guide Rail Connector Kit, P45777, and Guide Rail Clamps, 194385-5, are available to further improve its functionality and ease of use. These accessories will help you get the most out of it. What we like. This guide rail ensures incredibly smooth and straight cuts, perfect for those working with sheet materials. It's also compatible with various Makita tools, expanding its usability. If you're looking for precision and versatility in your cutting tasks, this guide rail is a must-have for achieving professional-grade results. What people say. Both work great, cut super clean and straight as an arrow. The track sets up easily, just make sure your saw is zeroed out, and rip through the rubber edge guide before your first cut. Has grip on the bottom so you aren't required to clamp it down. Number 4. HYCHIKA 6.2A Mini Circular Saw. This mini circular saw features a powerful 6.2 amp copper motor, delivering a high cutting speed of 3,500 revolutions per minute. It comes with 3 blades, including 2 for wood and 1 for plastic and soft metal, expanding its versatility. The saw is equipped with a scale ruler for precise cuts, improving your work efficiency. It also has a built-in dust collection port and vacuum adapter, helping you maintain a cleaner working environment. You can freely adjust the cutting angle from 0 degrees to 45 degrees with this saw. It also has an adjustable cutting depth, with a maximum depth of 1 to 7/8 inches at 90 degrees. This allows it to meet your diverse needs. The double protection switch prevents accidental starts, ensuring safer operation. The ergonomic design with a slim grip and soft rubber handle reduces hand fatigue effectively. Included in the package are the mini circular saw, various blades, a vacuum cleaner adapter, a dust exhaust pipe, a hex wrench, a scale ruler, and a user manual. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We are available 24 hours a day. What we like. This mini circular saw packs a punch with its powerful motor and comes with multiple blades for various materials. Its compact design and safety features make it user-friendly. If you're a DIY enthusiast or need a versatile saw for smaller projects, this is the perfect choice for its power and ease of use. What people say. He loves how compact and lightweight it is, but still powerful enough to handle wood, metal, and even tile. It comes with 3 different blades, which is super handy, and he said the rubber handle makes it really comfortable to use for longer projects. They include 3 different blades for cutting different materials. I really like the laser guide which I followed to make a nice accurate cut. Number 3. Makita 194368-555 Guide Rail. This is the 55-inch guide rail from Makita. It's designed for smooth and accurate cuts, ensuring your projects are completed with precision. This rail is a great addition to your toolkit. This guide rail is specifically designed for use with Makita Plunge saw models XPS01, XPS02, and SP6000J. It interacts seamlessly with the saw base, providing stability and control. This ensures straight and bevel cuts every time. The guide rail is perfect for ripping sheet material. It helps you achieve clean, straight cuts, making it ideal for various woodworking projects. It makes cutting sheet material easier and more accurate. This guide rail can also be used with select routers and circular saws. You'll need the router guide rail adapter, 194,579-2, and the saw guide rail adapter, 196,953-0, for these applications. This expands the versatility of the guide rail. The guide rail is engineered to deliver dead-on straight or bevel cutting. It ensures that your cuts are precise and accurate. It is a must-have for any professional or DIY enthusiast. What we like. This 55 guide rail is designed for smooth and accurate cuts, especially when ripping sheet material. It works seamlessly with Makita Plunge saws, ensuring precision. If you're looking for a longer guide rail for larger projects and want to achieve professional results, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The saw's design is well thought out, making it easy to handle and control. The dust collection is excellent, keeping the work area clean. The saw provides smooth and accurate cuts, even through thick materials. Number 2. Makita SP6000J1 6-1-2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. Introducing the Makita SP6000J1, a powerful plunge circular saw kit. This tool is designed for precision and performance, making it a great addition to any workshop. The saw features a 12-amp motor with variable speed control. This allows the user to adjust the speed from 2000 to 5200 revolutions per minute for optimal performance across various materials. It offers a large cutting capacity, up to 2 to 3/16 at 90 degrees and 1 to 9/16 at 45 degrees. This allows it to handle a variety of cutting tasks with ease. The saw has a bevel capability from -1 to 48 degrees, with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. This feature provides versatility for angled cuts. This saw delivers precision-accurate cutting. The result is a splinter-free, mirror finish, ensuring professional quality results every time. The electronic speed control maintains a constant speed under load. This ensures smooth and consistent cutting performance, even when working with tough materials. What we like. This plunge circular saw boasts a powerful motor and delivers precision cuts with a splinter-free finish. The variable speed control allows for optimal performance in various materials. If you value accuracy and control in your cutting tasks, this saw is perfect for achieving professional-grade results. What people say. The Makita slid across the track much more smoothly than the DeWalt. The results were absolutely perfect. The quality of the cut was better in every way. The saw cut very well with this blade. Makita should include this blade standard. It felt like the motor was coasting, which I can in part attribute to the anti-friction coating on this blade. Number 1. Makita XRJ04Z18V Cordless Recipro Saw. This is the Makita XRJ04Z, a powerful cordless recipe saw. It's designed to make your cutting tasks easier and more efficient. The saw features a Makita-built variable speed motor. It delivers up to 2,800 strokes per minute for fast and effective cutting. Changing blades is quick and easy with the toolless blade change system. This feature allows for faster blade installation and removal, increasing your productivity. The saw has a compact and ergonomic design. It's only 19 to 1/8 inches long, making it easy to handle in various work situations. Weighing only 8.3 pounds, with a battery, it reduces operator fatigue. This makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. What we like. This cordless reciprocating saw offers the freedom to work anywhere with its toolless blade change system. Its compact and ergonomic design reduces fatigue. If you need a portable and easy-to-use saw for various cutting tasks, this is the perfect tool for its convenience and versatility. What people say. The saw's design allows for flush cuts. The dust collection is excellent. The saw is very accurate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.